Welcome, everyone. If you're throwing away broken LED bulbs, you're missing out. You can easily fix them, get them working perfectly again, and save money. We'll now explain this simple fix for a broken bulb and show you in detail how to easily repair it. We'll use some very simple materials, including an empty toothpaste tube. First, as you can see, we remove the protective cover from the bulb. These small yellow elements are the individual LED chips. If just one of them fails, the entire bulb will stop working. Our task now is to identify which of these small chips is burned out or faulty. We connect the bulb to a power source. We'll need tweezers and electrical tape. Now we inspect the circuit to find the broken connection. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Your support is greatly appreciated. This is the faulty chip. We've marked it. We'll heat the damaged chip slightly to make it easier to remove. As you can see, we carefully remove it. Next, we need a copper wire, like the one shown here. Cut a small piece and place it over the contacts to act as a conductive bridge. Next, cut a small piece from an empty toothpaste tube. You only need a tiny bit. Notice its aluminum-like surface. It's an excellent conductor that helps hold the copper wire in place. Then secure it with tape. Now, reattach the circuit board to the housing. And now for the real test. We'll test the bulb. Based on my previous experience repairing bulbs, I'm confident this method will work. Excellent. It works perfectly. This is an effective way to revive damaged LED bulbs and significantly extend their lifespan. Don't forget to like and leave a comment below. I welcome all your questions. Thanks for watching and best of luck.